Hi all, once again I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. This video is all about the operator precedence. Let's get into the demo. Now what I will do is I will define a variable called x and I will do some arithmetic operations like 10 plus 3 into 2. I will give some spaces. And what I'll do is I'll just print the value, print of x. Now what will be the result of this? This is very basic max question. Unfortunately, a lot of people fail to answer. The answer is 16 because in max we have the concept called operator precedence, which means the order of operations. So the multiplication operation will take the higher precedence, which means it applies 3 into 2 is executed first. So 6 and then it's added to the number 10. Let's see what is happening over here. Operator precedence. I'm just running this file. See, the 16 is getting printed over here. So this is what we call as operator precedence. It's just a max basic concept. It's not about related to Python programming language. So all other programming language also behave the same way. So the order of precedence is, first one is exponential will have higher precedence. Like exponential, I can give it as exponential, which means double asterisk. And another one is like multiplication or division. The next precedence will give to multiplication or division. And then finally to addition or subtraction. So this is the order of precedence it will take care. And let me show you another example for this. I will be removing this one. And what I am doing is like 3 into 2 and I am just giving the power operator 2. Now let's see what is happening over here. I'm just executing over here and it's printing 22, which means it is taking the higher precedence of exponential. So 2 into 2, 4, and that 4 will be multiplied with 2, which is 12, and then it's added with 10, so 22. Suppose if you add parentheses, means it will take that parentheses will be higher precedence. Let's see over there, like I'm just adding the parentheses over here. Now let's see what will be the output, because if you add parentheses, that will be taken care as higher precedence. For example, we added the parentheses over here, right? So this will be taken the higher precedence, like 10 plus 3 will be higher precedence, 13, and then the next one is like with exponential, and then it will be multiplied over here. So here the 13 will be there, and here 2 into 2, 4 will be there, 2 power 2, 4, and 13 into 4, like the value will get printed over here. Let's see, 52 is getting printed. So by this way, the operator precedence will work in our Python programming language. So it will take the parentheses as the higher precedence, followed by the exponential, and then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. So if you have any doubts on this, just add in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching my video, guys.